Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. There's something special about a pickle that balances both sweet and sour. It doesn't overpower, it complements. This lime pickle is just that, tangy, slightly sweet and made with simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Begin by washing 5 limes with plain water. Then wipe the limes. To steam the limes, I placed a vessel with water on medium flame. I placed an aluminium strainer on it and I covered it with a lid. Once the water started boiling, I placed the limes on it. I steamed the limes for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, poke the limes with a skewer to check if they are soft. If the limes are soft, remove from the strainer. Switch off the flame. Once the limes cool down, cut into 8 pieces. These hit the limes. I am cutting the limes in a shallow plate in order to collect the juice. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix well, keep aside for 10 minutes. Place a pan on medium flame, heat oil in it. Add half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, half tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute till the raw smell goes away. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 stem of curry leaves. Be careful the ingredients start splattering. Add little ing. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar as per your taste. Cautiously add water as required. Add the chopped limes. Mix well. Once it starts boiling, after 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Once it cools completely, transfer into a clean, washed, sun-dried glass jar. Refrigerate it. It can be eaten once it matures. This pickle takes its own time to mature, but once it does, it turns every simple meal into something special. Thanks for watching.